Shilpa, take it away. Everybody, let's take a moment together. If you would like to join me, please do close your eyes and hands in Namaste or Namaskara. Shilpa, take it away. Tell me if this resonates with you. I've been on a diet for 2 weeks and all I've lost is 14 days. Familiar feeling, right? Right? Yeah, yeah. Do I see yeses? Yes. Okay, how about this? My heart says chocolate and wine, but my genes say, for the love of God, woman, eat a salad. Resonates, right? Somewhere. You're getting this, right? Oh, and of course, I need to practice social distancing from the refrigerator, right? Okay. Jokes aside, wouldn't it be great if we didn't have to feel this way anymore? Well, let's find out more on that, shall we? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome in to the Mystic Lotus and Dragonflies awesome Love and Health Tele Summit. Alan and Pamela reduced inches, improved their health, and are more energetic. Nishna, Chandrika, and Gurdarshan have lost inches, kgs, and seen a change in body shape. What do all these people and many more like them have in common? Our speaker today. Yes, you heard me. They all have in common our expert today, who is a highly intuitive healer known for imparting knowledge and attunements with many celestial beings such as dragons, angels, unicorns, elves, fairies, centaurs, and many more. Excelling at working with different dimensions, today she's here to tell us how to transform our bodies with weight reduction using celestial dragon energies and Homkara with Aline. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for and join me in giving a warm Mystic Lotus welcome to the lady of the hour, Siddhi Shah. Hi, Siddhi. Welcome in.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, as I asked everyone today, go ahead and think about what is it that you want to achieve, that you wish to achieve, how you need to do it. We will talk about it in a bit. So, if it is weight reduction or it is inches reduction, it is all possible. And what Neelu was saying was absolutely right. I will not ask you to cut down on your diet. I will not ask you to spend hours in gym, but I will ask you to spend a few minutes with me every day where you go ahead and listen to me and do certain things and keep receiving, and magic happens.
Fantastic. Burning question though, Siddhi. Okay. Weight reduction without exercising, without going to the gym or lifting dumbbells. How? How is that possible? Please tell.
Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you about so many stories, or rather how it all started. So it all started when I was conducting one of the Dragons workshops. Every time we take up a serious topic and we address it and we start healing ourselves and others around us. So topic of that workshop was weight reduction. So some of us started doing it. So those were at least 15 of us who started doing and working on weight reduction. To my surprise, the results were astonishing. We were seeing weight going down in in week. In just 1 week, we saw a new shape to ourselves. For some people, it was weight reducing first and then inches reducing. For certain people, it was inches reducing first and then weight reducing. However, we all achieved beautiful skins and beautiful shape in just 1.5 months. I loved the idea. Then I shared it with other groups and we started working with them also. So in about 1.5 months time, I myself lost 2 inches. Yes.
Wow.
So with me, how it always happens is my weight remains constant, but I lose out on inches and I take a new shape and all my old clothes are back with me. And I love them. And I love the idea of being able to fit into my old clothes once again. So then I opened it up slowly to other clients, other people, other students. Until date, more than 100 people have benefited with this. So that is the kind of result everyone has received and achieved. Why can't many, many more receive it and achieve it?
Absolutely. And I have to share this with everybody. Of course, I told Siddhi, I'm going to have a ton of questions to ask you because this just really, is this possible? How is this possible? Why is this possible? Where is this possible? Which we'll be talking about right now. But I remember when I first came across it, I couldn't help laughing, and Siddhi was also laughing with me. It was like, so what do you think about the results? And Siddhi says, completely astonishing, like deadpan, completely astonishing. I'm like, okay, if that's what it is, chalo, let's find out more about this. So Siddhi, as you were saying, you started this, it started, let's say, on a lark as a part of a workshop, and then it took on momentum. How long since this has happened?
So it's been 4 months.
4 months, 4 months, and
Yeah.
hundreds have been helped already.
Yeah.
Centimeters, inches, kgs, body shape, all of this has come into play.
So these are just superficial when we are talking
Right.
about shape, when we are talking about weight. However,
Right.
people have received healings on their cravings, on balancing of their system. So some people who come to me, they say that, hey, Siddhi, I have this issue because I have thyroid issue. Hey, Siddhi, I have this issue. So let us all understand one thing now, because this has come to this. Why do you think we gain weight? And then we can address how we can lose it. I am asking this to everyone here. Why do you think you have gained weight? Why do you think
As
it is possible for you to gain more weight or more inches, or it's just not going?
Right. I'm going to wait for everybody to write in on the group. I know I've gained weight because I've spent a huge amount of the last year and a half very sedentary. It's just been sitting and working, sitting and working, sitting and working. And then when you sit that long, something, your back starts hurting, something or the other starts happening. And then you start, your energy starts dipping. And then the enthusiasm to wake up early in the morning and do something goes meh, down the drain. So I know for me, it's been reflective of a hugely sedentary lifestyle, which I'm hoping to change
So for
ASAP.
you
Thank you.
and people like you who are facing the same issue, I'm going to be giving away amazing tips in this
Oh,
call, so that
fantastic.
even if you do those, you will start seeing changes in the
Oh,
way you are managing your weight. Yes.
lovely. So people have started writing in. Vas says lockdown contributed to weight gain. I'm assuming she means, the restriction in movement, maybe not being able to go out for a walk or a run or to the gym. Then there's stress. She says, Indrajit says binging. Oh God, I think binging for everybody in the you're sitting at home. There's a fair amount of binging that has happened. Thank you. So Vas also says stress. Sorry, she did mention that. Oh, stopped smoking. Interesting, because I have come across this a lot when when I hear people saying, when they're getting rid of one addiction, it's kind of like a replacement. You end up eating more because you're trying to stop yourself from like either smoking or drinking or having too much tea or watching. I guess that there's a certain amount of weight gain that happens with that.
Yeah. So
Anu says comfort.
some kind of
Sorry,
craving, you replace your craving energy to with something else.
it's something
So
else.
again,
Right.
that's not a healthy way. But yes,
Right.
when we go ahead and work with this, we do address this concern. So
Oh,
while everyone
fantastic.
is talking about their issues, let me point out the certain ones which always come to me. So it is either imbalance in thyroid or diabetes. So basically imbalance in endocrine system, or like you said, and that's what happened with me also during the period of lockdown. I just stopped moving. Like my morning walk will be from my bedroom to my living room. That's it. So, and I was like, yeah, I walked a bit today. Then there are people who have very unhealthy sleeping patterns, binge watching, unhealthy eating patterns, things like that. And many of them came to me saying that stress eating or cravings.
Right.
So that has become like the new thing. And that was very eye opening for me to see that how many people came to me for weight reduction because of stress eating or because of cravings. So these are the issues that can be addressed. Your cravings can be eliminated, your systems, your endocrine systems, and everything can be balanced. In a way, you start living healthier.
Right. More people have written and said, Colin says chakra imbalance. Charmaine says, my weight has remained constant for the last 25 years. That is amazing, Charmaine, but need to reduce because of knee pain. Jaya says thyroid and fatty liver. Manisha says no exercise, not timely food. Raji says sweet cravings. And then Honey says, my husband is suffering from a kidney stone problem. KK says PCOD, stress eating. Manisha says stop gymming. Yep, that's it. And Vas is also saying, yes, haha, walking from one to the other was the only walk. Right. So this a lot of what you've mentioned is what people are also saying was their concern with all of this.
Yeah.
So you're saying that this entire program takes care of all these things, Siddhi? Because that's a lot,
Yes.
isn't it?
Okay, let me now tell something in detail.
Yeah.
Is how does this get addressed? So most of these problems, now let's dissect them for another 2 minutes. If it was thyroid or diabetes, why did it happen? It's because of a root cause that's called stress. One of the important thing that plays. Second could be genes. It is coming down through a family hierarchy or family tree. Third could be absolutely great eating habits and sleeping patterns, or the kind of work.
I detect the sarcasm.
Yeah, so a lot of people get affected by their work and get into these things. If it was sedentary lifestyle, there's nothing you can do about it. But you didn't pay attention to smaller things that you could do. So it was just lack of will, I would say. I define it as lack of will. You could do certain things, but you ended up doing nothing. Third is either the digestive system is weakened because of sedentary lifestyle and it's not working the same way it used to work before because you were moving around. Your metabolism also goes down when you constantly keep sitting. But how about those times where I give you a booster for your metabolism while you go on leading your life? It will not only make you more energized, it will boost your willpower also to go ahead and take up something and go ahead and do something. And you know what? This book I wanted to read for the last 5 years. I've not touched it. Let me take it. How about I addressed and cut off those emotional issues from your aura, from your chakra, from your energy field, so that and cut your ties with stress eating and cravings. will it not make a better life for you when it came to making choices and making more nutritious choices and making it is not out of compulsion. I am drawn towards that. That's the difference. So when I was working on this, the primary reason for me to undergo this was sugar cravings. So I had to address that. And everyone else would have their own reasons, which I address individually. So when I was working on this for me, I realized that after a while, I was like, okay, I just had a piece of sweet yesterday. I don't want it today. And then I realized that, you know what, how about some cucumber or how about some tomato? So, and I don't know why it came. And I was like, hey, Siddhi, just wait. This is not you. But it and I gladly picked out certain vegetables and made a salad for myself. And I enjoyed it while I was also binge watching. So all these things happened. I didn't notice it for another 7 days that my eating timings were slowly coming into place. I already had them in place. Most of the times I have them in place, but I was more aware of it. And people who were working alongside, they had completely different timelines. Slowly, it all fell into place. They would feel hungry at early hours, early dinner hours, proper lunch hours. So everything started falling into place to a point that they started loving the life or loving their food habits, loving the shape, loving the energy. They started developing inside them. So this is what happens with healing and healing different aspects that could be contributing to your weight gain.
Interesting. And yes, that it's fascinating that you would actually, as you said, this with just say an energy booster, reduce, see a marked reduction in cravings and a marked increase in making healthier choices for yourself consciously, willingly, happily. That's what you're saying, right? There's nothing forced. Nobody's saying go eat some beetroot. Sorry, like I'm just saying like that. For anybody who has a beetroot reaction like that. So, now, you know what? I cannot wait to hear more about this. There's a very quick question in here. Purnima's asked. She says she's put on weight, being a patient of rheumatoid arthritis. So she's on steroids. So the weight gain. She's asking, would this help somebody lose weight with chronic illnesses? Does this program work to help you reduce weight?
Might be a little slower, but yes, it has worked. In fact, it has worked for many others who've come like very specific cases before. So,
Right.
yes, it does work. This program also helps you detoxify the toxins that you received because of either processed food that you may have consumed a lot before, or due to certain kind of pills that come with certain kind of side effects. So yes, it does help you detoxify these things.
Okay. And is it true lemon water helps lose weight?
This comes to me very often. Please do not have warm water with honey and lemon. You can have warm water with lemon only. That works. Do not add honey to it.
Why is that, Siddhi? Because this is like almost, Hindi में बोलते हैं ना परदादियों के नुस्खे types. It's like written in stone. Everybody seems to know this. Tell us why are you saying no? Don't do this.
Yeah.
It's not going
So
to help.
honey, almost there are two reasons to it. Number one, whether it is organic honey or it is your processed normal product. The processed honey is never going to help you because certain content of it is sugar. Yeah.
Pure sugar, right?
Second is even if it is organic honey, it almost works as the same way in your brain in chemical functioning as a sweetener, as sugar, and it doesn't help you much in reducing. While warm water and lemon does its job. It keeps it helps you flush out certain kind of toxins. Yes. So
Anju's
it's a
asked.
myth when
Sorry.
people,
Please continue.
sorry.
No,
So
no, no, continue.
these
My
are
bad.
certain things that I always discuss with people who are taking in this program, that there are certain myths we feel that these things are helping us, while in reality they are not.
Right. Right. I'm just saying she has hypothyroidism, hence the putting on of the weight. Would also like to reduce it. Will your program help with this as well, Siddhi?
Can someone else answer?
Yes, please. Who would you
Someone
like to
who's
bring
seen
on?
results? Yeah.
Who
So
should we get
let
on?
us, yeah, first of all, let us speak with Chandrika ji. I have done this healing for her and her daughter-in-law, both of them. So let us hear it from her, and then I will surely add a few things to it. So this gives clarity to Deepika. Was it
This is Anju.
Anju? Sorry. Yes.
Anjal. In fact, I can see Chandrika ji is like all smiles, waiting to share her story with us. Hi, hello, welcome in.
Hi, hi. Uh,
Tell us.
uh, Hi, I'm Chandrika Shah. I lost weight with Siddhi's program. I am doing dragon healing with her. That time also I started losing. So once she announced, I accepted and I enrolled for myself and my daughter-in-law. She also has thyroid problem and she lost weight there.
Wow.
She lost 2 kgs. I lost 5 kgs and 5 inches.
Wow.
Amazing.
Over how much time, Chandrika ji?
Only one program I did with Siddhi.
So what, a month?
Maybe month. 28
Seriously?
days, na? Siddhi, it is 28 days.
21 days. Yeah. So
Yeah,
21
January.
days plus
At
weekends
the
all put
front
together.
door.
Yeah.
No, no, I just threw my pen down. I'm so sorry, Chandrika ji, I'm interrupting. I just
It's
threw my
okay.
pen down.
It's
28
okay.
days, 5
Yeah.
kg, no
Yeah.
exercise, no.
No.
What?
Yeah.
How?
That is only
Amazing.
the thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Fabulous. Please continue. I'm so sorry. I could not
It's
help but
okay.
just
It's
respond
okay.
to that right now. Please continue.
Whatever she is doing, it helps a lot. I had not done any dieting.
Fabulous.
Yeah. She's,
And as you
yeah,
said, your daughter-in-law she has thyroid. She has a
yeah,
concern with thyroid.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
As in,
But
Anju
she,
also gets her answer.
yeah, she is not the regular listener to see these programs because Siddhi is giving at 8:30 in the morning and she is
Right.
going to work. So sometimes she miss out. Then also she lost.
Fab.
And it's great to join us.
Yes, I can say, I can make out, I can see the happiness on your face.
Yeah.
And this is a great achievement. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank
Everyone
you
can
for
join. Yeah, Siddhi. She is
So
good.
thank you, Chandrika
So
ji.
good.
In fact,
Yeah.
thank you. Yes.
Thank
So first, when we spoke about this, I told you how it happens within our system and how does it play
Right.
a role when we are gaining our weight. Now let me address the other side of it, is how do dragons or dragon healing or any other kind of healing that I'm doing in this program helps. So all this memory of fat or the pattern of fat is lying everywhere in our cells. It's not only our cells, it's the fat content, it is our DNA, it is our entire system is made and programmed with those things. So I go and address these programs that are already stored in the system. That is number one. Number two, I work with elemental dragons. Now, what are elemental dragons? They also go ahead and heal certain elements inside your body. So when we are facing any kind of weight issue, definitely there is an imbalance somewhere. Whether it is our yang energy or yin energy, or it is our four elements, all of them are imbalanced somewhere. So when I give this program away, I ensure that all these energies start balancing and start working in a way that it shows result on your physical system faster. Not only that, I work on reducing the fat content from the body. That is number one. And we also go very, very specific to areas. Like Chandrika ji's goal was, I want to be reducing it from my tummy. Period. My tummy is the biggest issue. There's nothing else. So we worked on her tummy very, very specifically. It is a group healing, but yeah, I do focus on to what is it that you wish to achieve. Some people will say, I want to work on my thighs. Some people will say, I want to work on my hips, whatever it is. So likewise, we address the element of fat in the body in certain areas also, that slowly goes melting down, if that's the right word, or disappearing, if that's the right word.
Dissolving.
Yes. So basically, it is in a way disappearing.
This is really nice. I thought that was a great share by Chandrika ji. And there is a question in Inderjeet is asking, is stevia a good alternative to sugar? Before you answer that, Siddhi, first of all, sugar, white processed sugar, big no. And why do you even want to look for a substitute? This is just me personally, just wondering, thinking this out loud. And the question is for you, Siddhi. Is stevia a good alternative to sugar?
Can we what?
Is stevia, stevia, like sugar-free stevia?
Is a good alternative for sugar. Is that what
Yeah.
you asked?
Yes.
Okay. So my question in return to this, and I'll answer this. Is it really about finding an alternate to your craving and still sticking to your craving, or it is about addressing the root cause? Because if you still want to stick to being where you are, it's okay to find an alternate. But if you really want to make a change, I would say don't move to synthetics. To anyone who's done this program, I never said move to synthetics. No chemicals, no other work. Go more natural. So if you wanted to stick with natural sweeteners, any kind of fruits, any kind of dried fruits, completely fine. So add sweetening with those things, but synthetic is not something I really approve of.
Right, absolutely. In fact, I remember this. This is just a very quick note. In a couple of years back, I'm not sure exactly when, there was a study done on these sugar substitutes. There is something I think called aspartame in them, which actually over long-term usage can cause muscle issues with the muscle dystrophy and a couple of other things. Because I remember the first time sugar-free ever came out, I was like, oh my God, we must use this. Realize, no, let's not. So yeah, pretty much that. Okay.
I'm
And
tempted to give out one tip for sugar cravings.
yes,
I don't know whether
yes,
this is the right time.
it is the right time. It is always the right time. Go ahead.
Awesome. So people with sugar cravings, pay your attention here. In fact, people with any kind of food cravings, if you did this, you'll definitely see a difference in the way you're consuming sugar, you're consuming your food. Is every day for more than at least 30 minutes, you're not going to be doing any exercise, but diffuse grapefruit oil in your home or orange oil.
Fruit oil.
So wherever, yeah, in where you can have that aroma, you can benefit from that aroma. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And is there any significance to this?
Yeah. So every aroma, when you inhale, has certain kind of reactive system in your brain. When it is orange, when it is grapefruit, it satiates certain kind of cravings inside of you. So
Interesting.
yeah. So even if you did nothing else and you simply diffused orange oil or grapefruit oil, especially when you're feeling any kind of cravings, diffuse it. That's it.
Fantastic. Thank you for that. Okay. Indrajit's written in stevia is a plant. I'm actually not too sure about this. Siddhi, do you have any idea? Stevia
Yes,
is a
it is.
plant.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. But the way it is made, it is not completely natural.
Right, natural.
It comes with a lot of chemical in content. Yes, if you had a natural way of receiving it and using it, absolutely fine. I'm saying any natural sweeteners are fine.
Right.
The
And
fruits or
what about jaggery, Siddhi? Purnima's asked.
I would recommend people to use organic jaggery in
Right.
place of everything else.
Right. Interestingly, I think a lot of people I don't know if they remember this or not, they tend to forget that sugar, be it white processed sugar, be it jaggery, be it organic sugar, the calories are the same. So I think, Siddhi, what you're looking at doing is to reduce sugar craving altogether, right? And
Yeah.
to head towards, when you say healthy alternatives, you're referring to, say, a raisin or a cranberry, like dried fruits, basically, to add.
In fact,
That's
you
what
can add dates and certain kind of food.
dates, right?
It'll give you a lot of iron content as well. So
Right.
dates is a very good alternate to any other sweeteners.
Right.
So
Jaya says, I am allergic to aroma, Siddhi. There are more tips coming up. Yes.
yes,
All right, Jaya, there'll be more tips coming up, so hang in there for that. And Pankaja has asked an interesting question. What happens when the program finishes? Does the weight reduction continue, or does it stabilize?
this is not like your weightlifting programs where you stop it and then you're again gaining. Maybe your muscles are even more lax. No, it's not like that. However, please don't do anything to gain it back. Yeah. So once you've shared. That's it. Period. But if you go back to the way you were, it might not work. However, the people who have given healings will hear from one of them today. Her cravings have gone down. She took the program in the month of Feb. Even now, she doesn't crave. So
That's
it
fantastic.
just goes down. So that's amazing. However, with certain people, if the cravings are huge, you gradually will go down and it is going to be an amazing journey. But yeah, when you've lost the weight, you've lost the weight. Don't do anything to gain it back.
Don't fall off the wagon, so to speak.
Yes.
Right. Right. Because, if you're going to put all that effort into aligning yourself into a certain direction, why would you want to veer off it? You don't want to veer off it. You want to keep going in that direction, upward and onward, as I often say. Nandini is asking, where do you get grapefruit or orange essential oils? Amazon.
Thank you. Absolutely.
Right. Easily available online, Nandini. Have a look. And Indrajit is Indrajit said, I'll keep the diffuser at my kitchen entrance.
That will be an amazing idea. Next time I'll tell someone, I'll add this to it.
There's this poster or this line that does the rounds, that if we are not meant to have midnight snacks, why is there a light in the refrigerator? So I'm just going to add on to Indrajit's saying I'll keep the diffuser at the kitchen entrance and put it in the fridge. Stand in front of it with it. Oh, that is just so silly. Sorry. Okay. Then Purnima's again, it's steroids are appetizers. One tends to feel ravenously hungry. How do cravings stop for something like this? She is wondering.
Yeah. So first, let's understand what are cravings. What do you think are cravings? Is your body really needing it, or is it something that is only in your mind?
It's mostly, I feel it's either a sugar imbalance response. You haven't eaten for a very long time, and that's where this comes in, or it's it's just a mouth taste. I want to eat something spicy, or I want to eat something lemony, or I feel like having some aloo pakora. So I think it's here. I think that desire is just here, and this tells this go get it.
You're absolutely right. Sometimes when your body is used to consuming so much of sugar, and when it goes down, or maybe the craving is simply increasing even when you give that much of sugar. Yeah. So cravings, but largely are reactive things to something that is happening inside your body, or something that is happening in your emotional field. Yeah. So what if those reactions change? What if I'm craving, but I'm craving for a cucumber more, or a date more, or maybe I'm not craving at all? Like, yeah, I used to eat so much every day. Now I don't eat. I was someone who would, and till date, like at least one pastry a week. you know, I'm a good do. My week goes
One a
nice.
week only.
Yeah, that increased in lockdown.
Right.
That,
I was just gonna say, let's not have that conversation with
because
me.
every day seems Sunday.
Right.
So yeah, so that happened with a lot of people where you're more relaxed. You're like, yeah, I want to eat sweet because I'm more relaxed. That happens because everything around you changed. So your reaction to how your life is happening around you changes, and you're like, this is the time to go ahead and have it. But how about that programming got changed for you? This is what happens when we are working on your cravings. So, okay, I'll tell you one more interesting part is, can I reveal a little bit of program details?
Go ahead.
Thank you. So this is, as I say, is 21 days program, but it is 21 days healing program. So 21 days are your weekdays, but on weekends, I also work with certain kind of meditations and certain tools and tricks I give you. And those are addressing your craving and your reactive measures to the entire craving that you get, which you can continue doing on every day. And that's about it. You don't need to worry. In fact, you can hear it from Gurdarshan, and then later on from Jankna how their cravings went down. So we can work with Gurdarshan ji. I don't know whether
Is she on with
she's
a different name, because I'm not seeing her?
okay.
I can only see a Guranj Sodhi.
In that case, we can hear it from Jankna if Gurdarshan
Okay.
ji will.
I'm gonna get her on. And in fact, Siddhi, it's interesting that you mentioned this about the weekend meditation and tips and everything. And I know you have more tips coming up, so people hang in there. However, what I'm asking for, Siddhi, is that can all of us get to experience some bit of that healing right now? And since you've been talking so much about cravings, is there something we can do with that?
Yes. So what I plan to do is today we will, in this call, do a little group healing that helps everyone um, reduce their cravings for at least another 24 hours. And then
Fantastic.
tomorrow, I can give on the group as a remote or a distance healing once again.
Superb. And Zankana's here. Hi, Zankana.
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Zankana. So my journey started with Siddhi from the day I used to get some kind of products, say abundant salt, abundant scrubs and all. So I used to use those products from her. During this time, she introduced this program, which is like weight reduction program. Now, during this lockdown, we all were knowing that now we are gaining our weight and there is no other way to go out and have gym and everything. So I immediately asked Siddhi I want to enroll this program. When she announced that, we immediately got enrolled. And during this program, she was giving us, first of all, she asked about our concerns, what all concerns we do have. So when we talk about our concerns, we have to be specific with our concerns that so that she can work on it. So my major concerns were thyroid and the stress. So these are my major concerns and my cravings too. So when we started getting the healings in the daytime, the morning 8:30 used to be have her program. And in an entire day, in case if I miss any session, she used to provide us the recordings of the particular day session, so that whenever you are free, you can hear those sessions, you can listen to her, and you can get that healings. So when I went through with this, and it really worked for me within in weeks time. So my upper body was around 44 when I started this program. And after a week's time, it got like 2 inches I lost. So we always used to ask before the session starts, before the program starts, please check your measurements and check your weight. So you will come to know how much you have reduced and how much you have lost your inches. These are the two major aspects which will give you results as well, which you will find it, because when you will see reducing in weight, you might not feel, but yes, you might have lost the weight. But when it comes to inch loss, you will feel that, because you will come fit into your old clothes. This is as simple as that. And not only the healing, dragon healing, but she also used to provide us Homkara with healing, so which again helped us a lot. During this program, even she gave us tips and tricks along with some detox plan, how we can detox ourselves in a day, how we can control our cravings, and also, like rightly she said, some kind of honey. So I used to have honey and lemon in the morning time. But the moment I hear that this is also can be a fact, that honey, nowadays honey is not coming in a pure form. It always comes with either sugar or either in a processed way. So I stopped using honey. I only take warm water along with lemon. So this again helped me, and I took this program in the month of Feb. I just took for 28 days. So this is 28 weekdays. So apart from these, even weekends, we used to get few kind of meditations, which again helped me to have a sound sleep. I was having very disturbing sleep. I was not able to sleep very soundly. But yes, after this program, I got my sleep pattern on track. And again, yes, she helped me a lot coming to have a very active day. So after 28 days of program till date, now I took this program in the month of Feb. Now this April, almost we are end of this month, still I am continuing with my cravings. So it has completely stopped. I cannot crave for sweets. I am not able to crave for my what we can say, any chatpata things, or any oily things, any fried items. So now whenever I feel कि मुझे कुछ sweet खाना है, I take dates, I eat dry fruits, and kind of a thing. It helped me a lot. So I would like to thank Siddhi for these things. And I must say, everyone in this call, go for it and you will get the result. So till date, my cravings are under control, and I hope it will go ahead as well in future.
Absolutely. Why not? You've had some powerful work done for yourself with the Power Lady herself, Siddhi. Many
Yes.
congratulations and
Thank
best
you
wishes
so
for
much.
your journey to keep continuing.
Thank you
Siddhi, you
so
want to
much.
say anything?
So first of all, thank you, Jankana, because when she keeps on sharing her results with me, even now, I like Neelu, yesterday we were laughing when I told you that results are absolutely astonishing. But
Right.
when sometimes I see the kind of results people achieve, receive, it's beyond even what I expected. So
Right.
I'm absolutely delighted with this.
Superb.
Just started off as an experiment, but has turned out to be like a great success for a lot of people. Yes. So more than
Yeah, and
100.
yeah, one can see, and that is absolutely amazing. I guess the some of the best programs actually come out with needing to address something that is a huge concern, doing your work around it, and then putting it all together, right? And I know people are already asking, what's the offer? What happens? Do we need to change our diet? Do we change food? We're going to get to all your questions, because Siddhi, please take us through this, the craving, what, elimination?
Yeah.
healing that you'll be doing for us. Let's go through that, and we will get the offer on and take on all your questions, and there are tips coming on. So hang in there.
Awesome. So the
Go
healing
ahead,
session, we'll start with that.
Yes.
Awesome. So before we start with this, can I request everyone to do just one small thing? If you are not hydrated, please have a sip of water or a little more than that. Hydrate yourself.
I was on mute. I was saying go ahead, Siddhi. All yours.
Awesome. So along with this today, when I'm giving this to you, I'm going to be asking you to do one very, very small thing with me when you're receiving this healing. So first of all, you will sit straight with your back and neck aligned. Receive this when you're sitting. If you are sitting in a crossed leg position, that is called Sukhasana, completely fine. If your legs are straight, completely fine. On the ground, completely fine. Your palms, if you know Surya Mudra, you can do it. If you don't, I'll help you with that. I'll help you with that. Both your ring fingers, fold them till the maximum you can. And on the very top portion, gently press your thumb. Place it on both your knees. Place it on both your knees. A very, very gentle pressure on the top portion of your ring finger. And in your mind, start relaxing. Observe everything from your feet to your head, from your head till your toes, relaxing every part of your body. Say in your mind that I'm ready to receive the weight reduction and craving reduction healing sent to me right now by Siddhi. As I call in the presence of my guardian dragons, the elemental dragons, and the golden dragon to come and help us heal us, guide us, protect us through this process, help us eliminate craving for another 24 to 48 hours. So it is, so it is. Please take in 7 deep breaths, release through your mouth. Align your back, your neck. Keep it straight, not strained, not stretched. And start receiving these healings. Say that I'm ready to eliminate my cravings. For people with sugar cravings, say that I'm ready to eliminate my sugar cravings. People with cravings of oily food, say that I'm ready to release my cravings for oily food. People with any kind of withdrawal symptoms, say that I'm ready to receive all kinds of cravings. People who do not drink enough water in the day, say that I'm ready to balance the water element in my body. Please take in 11 deep breaths. Release through your mouth. Allow the dragon energies to cleanse your outer bodies of any kind of emotional trauma, drama, anything that is playing a reason for your cravings. 11 deep breaths. Release through your mouth. Every breath you'll release through your mouth. Let every breath of yours reach your lower abdomen. Invoking the presence of Lady Kuan Yin for emotional release, giving you an emotional cleanse. Let the dragon energies reach your physical bodies. People with weak digestive system say that I'm ready to achieve optimum digestion. I'm ready to empower my digestive system. Release your mudras, relax your palms, relax your hands. Still keep them in receiving position. We'll move to another mudra where you touch your last two fingers with your thumb. First two straight. Place them on your knees. This is Prana Mudra. Take in 5 deep breaths, release through your mouth. And as this happens, I'm also sending you dragon healing energies. Now, please take 11 deep breaths, let them work on your cellular pattern. To reprogram and eliminate your cravings. Whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. I thank all the dragon spirits for facilitating this healing. Release your mudras, relax your palms. And I thank Lady Kuan Yin for this healing and all of you for receiving it. Take your time coming back to your present moment. If required, please drink some water.
Thank you, Siddhi. Thank you for that. It was quite calming, if I might say so for myself.
Sorry, Neelu, I could not hear you.
Sorry, I was saying thank you for that, and I was saying it was quite calming, if I may say so for myself. And we'll give everybody a few minutes to come back and to share with us what it is that they felt. And so, I had a quick question: would this be just as effective in the replay for everybody who's not been able to join us on the
for
call?
doing mudras for people, it was basically for people who will be attending replays. For my live calls, I don't need mudra. I never ask them to do it. That comes as a part of tips and tricks.
Okay. There are a few questions. Let me just get that in till everybody writes in if they'd like to share their experiences right now. So Sonali has written that some anxiety, depression medicine has the side effect of weight gain. So can this be treated in this program? Siddhi? Okay. Anybody who's here on video, could you just nod to me and let me know if you can hear me? Or, there you are.
Sorry. So I sort of froze for a couple of seconds. I could not get your question. Can you repeat?
No worries, no worries. Sonali has written in saying that some anxiety, depression medicine has the side effect of weight gain. Can this also be treated with this program, with the program that you have and that we're going to be bringing up very soon?
Yes. Yes. So as I said, that this also helps you detoxify your system of any old medicines or medicinal or processed food toxins that you may have in your body. So this also helps with these kind of medicines. Yes.
Fantastic. Vas has written in saying that, thank you. I felt slight coolness around me and warmth in my heart and mid-back. Thank you so much. Radha says, thank you, Siddhi, for this relaxing healing. Ashish says, very relaxing. Janet said, I could not hear the third and fourth sentence at the beginning section. Don't worry, Janet. You've received it as if you followed at the beginning, no worries. These energies are fantastic. Siddhi, she would have received it, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Rita says, thank you, Siddhi. Charmaine says, thank you, relaxing. V says, calm and was continuously feeling thirsty, even though I drank a lot of water before starting. Madhu says, was totally lost, could not remember giving instructions for the pran mudra, which is also fine, right? Siddhi, it's okay if you missed the second
it's
mudra.
not for receiving healing either.
Right.
It's completely fine if you couldn't do it. You still receive the healing. And second, for someone who specifically mentioned that I was feeling thirsty, please go ahead and drink a lot of water. The rest of you also go ahead and drink a lot of water for another 24 hours. You might feel more thirsty. It is sort of a byproduct of healing in a good way.
Right. Manisha says, thanks. The meditation was awesome. Shobha has written in Siddhi saying that she could feel, I could feel my head whirling. Is that in a good way, Shobha? Let us know. All right. Fantastic. Okay. Garen says, thank you. It was very relaxing. Can it also help for fungus in the body?
No, I don't really think so.
Right. Okay. Rupal says, amazing. I could feel some vibrations. KK said, kept yawning. Bina says, thank you. It was beautiful. Fantastic. Awesome. And this is, okay, does this program deal with candida overgrowth? Does that lead to weight gain?
Can you explain
Candida is like a
the
fungal
condition
infection.
to me a little more? Yeah.
Sorry, Siddhi, what did, sorry, I missed that.
Yeah, I just wanted to be understanding the condition a little more so I can delve a little more.
Right. So candida overgrowth, Janet, if you'd like to elaborate on it, and somebody please correct me if I'm wrong. I think candida, it's like a fungal infection type kind of thing, right? Radha, you're here. Tell us a little more. Am I on the right track? Yes, I think yes. Candida is a fungal infection. Yeah, because there's
Yeah.
that ointment
So-
also.
Okay, so this is what I will tell you right away. No, because this is a very different kind of healing than healings that are done for infections, then healings that are done on skin diseases or issues. So yes, this is very different from that. And this is not meant for those kind of issues. However, we have something for those kind of issues as well.
Right. Not part of this program.
No.
Correct. Superb. Here's the thing, even before we had gone into this and we'd heard from people, there were a few questions that had come in about what's the program all about. And it's a great time right now to just let everybody know, because as I mentioned in the very beginning, there is something very special for all of you who are on the call right now. So Siddhi, shall we just take them through what you have for them?
Yes, for sure. If I can take the liberty of listening to Darshanji before I move on,
Whom? Sorry?
can I take the liberty of listening from Darshanji before I move on? And
Sure.
I will make it
You mean
crisp. first.
Gurdarshan?
Yes, she is here in pink, smiling.
With what name? Because I am not seeing her name. Oh, if I'm looking to unmute her. And oh, okay. She signed in as only Darshan. All right, hang on. There you are.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. Welcome in.
Hi. Hi, Nilu. Hi, Siddhi.
Hello.
Okay, lovely to speak to you all.
Likewise.
I just wanted to tell you about your wonderful program for weight loss. Last year, like all of us, we had lockdowns in Melbourne as well, and we had one of the strictest lockdowns in the world. We had 3 or 4 months of very, very strict lockdown, even having curfews at night. So like everybody else, we all had nothing to do but sit at home and cook and eat, you know, all the dishes. And so we all put on weight, definitely. So when I heard about Siddhi's weight loss program, I was so excited because I needed something to jumpstart a routine for me, you know, and lose that few kilos and get me started actually. And it was so wonderful because within 2 or 3 days, my cravings all stopped. I didn't feel like having any sweets. Otherwise, I could go through like a half a bar of chocolate at one go. And I didn't feel like eating the chocolate. I would just have maybe one small bite and I'll be satisfied. And the cravings all stopped. And within a few days, I lost 1.5 kg, and it just continued, even though I didn't have time to really exercise and fully follow the program, which was so good. And every day when Siddhi was giving the energies and all that, I could feel the energy very, very strongly. And it helped me to lose all that weight, especially from the upper abdomen and waist area, which was my concern. So that is good, especially when you
Yes.
wear, when you wear tight fitting clothes and the stomach is bulging out, it looks ugly.
Right.
Yeah. So I didn't have the time to exercise because I'm actually taking care of my grandchildren. I have two. One is a 4-year-old who's just full of energy all the time, and a little baby who is 8 months old now. So I didn't have time to exercise at all. That was my exercise, looking after them only, but which is not enough actually. So what these extra energies and all that, I think that really helped me, because overall, after the 28 days, I lost, I think about 3.5 kg altogether, but I lost 1.5 inches off my waist, which was amazing,
Fantastic. Yes, it is.
especially since I didn't do any exercise.
Yes, absolutely. As Siddhi says, astonishing.
Yes. So I'm happy because also Siddhi teaches in all her other classes as well, with so much of love. And she gives more than what we actually, what do you say? She gives so freely and teaches us with patience, with love, and always with a smile.
That she does. Yes.
Yes. So really, really happy. And I've joined so many of her classes and I want to learn more and more all the time.
Fantastic. Fabulous. In fact,
So thank you.
some,
And also,
some
sorry, Nilu, somebody was
sorry, go
asking
ahead.
about steroids. And
Yes.
I'm also on steroids and I did lose. So it does help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. In fact, somebody else is also asking, did you change your diet?
No, I didn't. In fact, I was eating normally, but my portions were smaller. I was satisfied with less.
Right, right,
I
absolutely.
didn't really eat properly because I was busy with the kiddos.
So things got sorted, stabilized, your cravings reduced. You were
The
continuing
craving,
with the food that you normally eat.
the cravings was amazing because I just didn't feel like, eating the sweets. So that was a miracle for me.
Absolutely, I can imagine because that
Yeah,
is definitely not an easy craving to deal with.
yeah,
Absolutely.
definitely. And then also because I've also learned the dragon class from Siddhi, and the dragons also in the class, there's a symbol that helps to transform. So I was doing that as well.
Oh, super.
That's what Siddhi taught us. So join the dragon class if you haven't, any of you.
Right.
It helps,
And
yeah. And also because I only did one program, and after that I just maintain. It helps you, to get started, and then you just have to follow up.
And in fact, thank you for mentioning that, Darshan, because I think I did catch a question a little earlier that
That's right.
sometimes it comes back on, and you're saying now that you can maintain it and keep it off. So thank you very much for sharing that bit
Yes.
also.
This is
Okay.
your turbo boost when you start off with Siddhi, and then you have to maintain with a little bit of discipline, I'm sure.
Right, absolutely. And that holds true for everything, right? You have to put
That's
in
right.
your little effort in as well.
That's right. Thank you,
Fantastic.
Siddhi. You've been a wonderful teacher, and now she's become a wonderful friend as well.
Super. Thank you so much for coming on, Darshan, and sharing with us.
Thank you.
You're getting many congratulations on the group as well, and they've all thanked you for sharing.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Nice. Thank you. Siddhi?
Oh, sorry. All this while I was speaking, and then I realized I was on mute. So sorry. Darshanji, thank you so much. I thought you heard my thank you, but I'm sure you would not have. So thank you. And yes, uh, understood. So now coming back to how this program works.
Moment.
Okay, so one thing I would really want to address is that, this is a program for people who are committing. Although
Right.
we heard that, what, I didn't do anything, but I saw results. How about you did something along with this and you saw phenomenal results that you didn't expect? So if you are someone who can commit to weight reduction or in inches reduction, this program is for you. However, I don't need to get anything out of you to achieve my results. I would want you to go ahead and do something about this for your own self so that you achieve even bigger results. So, in this program, it is like 21 days live call healing sessions that happen in the morning, but they come with a replay support. So, the healing energies are available for you to be consumed within 3 days' time so that you keep up with the program as it is proceeding. So, and for weekends, you have meditations, you have other tips and tricks and 1 minuters that you need to go ahead. All you need to do is just 1 minute exercise for yourself. There's nothing more to it. Yeah. So, all that content I provide. So, every call, so your 21 calls are going to be starting with 21 different tips and tricks. Now, what do I mean about these different tips and tricks? So, we usually sit with our shoulders little slouching. But if we were to sit straight with our shoulders a little behind, this will increase your metabolism.
Right. And I suddenly remember when you shared this with that, I wasn't sitting at that. I remember Rujina went like that immediately. And we were both laughing about it.
Yes. And even now, when I speak about this, I see many people just
Straightening off.
relaxing and adjusting. But that's a good thing. That means that shows that you're willing to go ahead and change this about you. So yes, congratulations. Its first step is to have that willingness, right? So again, going back to programs, the 21 days healing is going to have dragon healing, Hunkara with theme that addresses different concerns. So at the beginning of the program, I would want you to have done everything that you wanted. That means measure your weight, measure your sizes, check what your thyroid level, I'm sorry, or your anything else. If there's any imbalance, you want to go ahead and check, go ahead and do all of it. Yeah. Take it upon yourself like a transformational uh, exercise or transformational thing that you're doing it for yourself. So this particular program has two different packages that it comes with. One is 1 month, that is 28 days in all. Let's make it 30 days for ease of it. Yeah. But so that gives you the kind of results that you heard about just now by others and what I told you. However, if you make it 3 months, it's like going from good to better to the best. So from, entering the transformation till seeing your new transformed self, like where you actually look at yourself and say that, hey, this is what happened. The first month is addressed towards your cravings, towards your weight reduction. Second month onward, it goes into a space where we start taking care of your skin also, so that your skin is more firm, your skin is more glowing, it is supporting that. So basically, from looking at only weight and not everything else that supports weight and gives you a new look, this starts addressing everything else. So the first month is focused towards letting off all that extra weight, all the cravings, detoxifying your system. The second month is actually bringing about change along with uh, building your muscles a little more, toning your skin, all that. Third month, where all of it still continues, and you start giving a new shape to yourself. And yes, by that I really mean that you start giving a new shape to yourself. These are group healing sessions. So group healing sessions happen from Monday to Friday. These are 20 to 30-minute healing sessions. Every session starts with a round of tips and tricks that are going to help you, like as easy as what I told you just now. Or maybe you'll invest at max what 1 minute to 5 minutes. A lot of them are sticking to only 1 minute. One more thing it comes with is, although these are group healing sessions, you define your problem areas, you define your goals, and you define how you're receiving it. How you're receiving is totally up to whether you are on live call or something else, or you want to add something else to it, for which I will provide all kinds of tools that will help you go like walk your extra mile with this. Yeah. And you always have my support on WhatsApp group for all this time. The replays will be available. So all these kind of tricks, techniques, everything is worth 5,500, and the entire program that you're looking, I think it is on everyone's screen, is worth
Normally
rupees
costs?
26. Sorry.
Yeah, please go ahead. Normally costs?
Yeah, normally it'll cost around this 26,500 US dollars for 1/6, but
Can you hear that, Siddhi?
yes,
Can
but
you
I
hear
was
that?
saying it like that. Yes.
And for those of you who've been around, you know what that bell signifies. For those of you who are new to our Tele Summits, when the bell rings, you know there's something fabulous for you that's available only during the call. Siddhi, take it away.
Yes. So this is the flash offer for you. Flash offer that is going to be available only till the end of the call, not after that. However, for whoever wishes to benefit after the call also will have something, but not what is given right now. So
Right.
the flash offer is straight 77% off, rupees 5,999 for 3 months. That is US dollars 95 for a 3 months package.
It is super fab. It's 5,999 for 3 months. That's way lesser than even 1/4 of what you would have ever paid, even for the most basic gym membership. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, you have your own personal on-call trainer with you. All right, 3 months normally would cost 26,500 is yours for the taking only for 5,999 rupees or $95. And this offer is going to be here only till the end of this call. The moment we disconnect the call, the offer goes. Payment links are up on the group. Please, please utilize this offer for yourself. Siddhi. You know, and for those, of course, who there's 3 months and there's 1 month as well.
So there's a package B for people who would want to opt for only 1 month program. The package cost, the regular standard original price is rupees 13,499. That is 212 US dollars. But for another 24 hours, it's going to be yours at rupees 2,500 or US dollar 40 only.
Which is again so fabulous an offer, Siddhi. 1 month's work, 30 days work at just 2,500 rupees. You're not going to have to change your food. You'll have to make a few changes, but you're not going to have any drastic measures being taken. There's nothing restrictive about this work. You don't have to go to the gym. So this is absolutely amazing. And should you pick up the 1 month offer, you can upgrade to the 3 months later. However, remember, 5,999 is the offer right now for 3 months. Okay, only now. That will not exist. And 1 month at just 2,500 rupees or $40. As somebody was writing in the group earlier, how does this get any better than this?
Any better.
Really fabulous. Somebody was asking what time are the group calls? This is at 8:30 in the morning, right, Siddhi?
Yes, absolutely. 8:30 in the morning. Replays will be available for you for another 3 days to be consumed. So even when people have joined from different time zones, either they have listened to the replays and come back to me on WhatsApp, to which I always give them further guidance, or if there are any questions, I always answer.
Right. Superb. In fact, Siddhi is just asking, is there a reason for this only 3 days available replay scene? I'm sure this, I'm sure you this.
I'm sorry, I think I missed out on a couple of
Yes.
words.
Is there a reason that the replay is available only for 3 days? You must have something in your mind with that, right?
Yes, absolutely. I could make it available for 3 months, but what's the point? You want to lose it in this month, in this time. You want to see weekly results. So you want to be consuming your healings within 3 days, right? It'll be very silly for you to, receive them later and see the results now. So yeah, I'm keeping it comfortably designed in a way that someone will be able to keep up with the program and see the results within 1 month, because that's what we all are committing to. Yeah.
Right. And interesting question, a couple of questions have come in with the package. Somebody has asked, sorry, I'm not being able to see the name, Wandering Soul. What is the difference in both the packages? Is it just the duration? Duration for sure. Package A is 3 months, package B is 1 month. However, Siddhi, you did explain it. Just take everybody through it once again very quickly. The first month is
Even if
letting
it is
go.
1 month package, it is
Right.
designed in 4 weeks format. So every week your
Right.
healings are going to go more intense and more focused.
Right.
Okay, from cravings to weight reduction to inches loss. Okay, every week is different from the other. Now, when you go ahead and take a 3 months program, it is going to be designed across 3 months. So it is not only your weight and inches loss. When you lose, you want your skin to be more firm. You want your skin to be glowing as well. So it is about balancing every area so that your shape that you wish to achieve comes in place, so that your muscles get more strength, so that you achieve what you desire, the kind of shape you want to achieve. Yeah, so there are many areas to address when it comes to weight reduction, or when it comes, it's very easy to say get into a certain shape or get into shape, but there are many areas which are then further divided in different weeks across 3 months, all the way from skin to muscles to your endocrine system to many other things.
Absolutely. And as you can see, it's on the phone as well. It'll be in your replay as well. Sorry, it's on the Telegram group as well. It'll be in the replay as well. The 3 months basically is a let go, it's a change, it's a transform. Each of it will come with its own set of work. So starting with the basics and making it more and more stronger and stronger, and taking care of so much more, including sagging, your skin's going to sag. So keeping that toned up, keeping it nice and bright and healthy. So kind of like anti-aging only, right, Siddhi?
It is, you'll go younger.
Right. Garin's asking, what about cellulite? Do
Yeah,
you
it
target
helps.
cellulite?
Yeah, it helps with cellulite reduction as well. Yes, it
Right.
does.
So that's in the
Okay,
3-month program or 1 month?
1 month also addresses cellulite.
Okay. And with the 3 month, it takes it to deeper levels. Basically, everything gets more and more intense, more work, more releasing, more changing. Fantastic. All right. And yes, the payment link has been shared. Please do have a look. Yes, Vinita saying, yes, please, I would like to join. Please do join. The payment links are on the group. Remember, the flash offer of 5,999 or $95 is available for a very little bit longer. Okay, so quickly. All right, Bhavna's asked, Siddhi, will the effect be the same if we listen to the replay instead of live?
Yes, because it comes with healing. So if I'm giving healing to Bhavna, I have given healing to Bhavna. All Bhavna needs to do is receive it along with a replay or receive it in a live call. So healings are available for another 3 days, and that's why I say that replays are available for another 3 days. You all you need to do is find out 20 minutes in 3 days time and receive it. No, like what more?
What more? Absolutely. Vas is asking 24 hours for package B. That's same time tomorrow from now. Yes, you've got that right. Vas, 24 hours is 24 hours from now, kind of on a time average. Oh, and the team's already answered. Thank you. Where are the calls going to happen, Siddhi? The healing sessions are going to happen on Zoom?
Zoom calls, yes.
Okay. So does that answer that question for you, Janet? Yes, the calls are on Zoom. Jaya is asking, will both the batches go together?
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Will both the batches, as in will both the batches start together? Program is, when is the program beginning, Siddhi?
Yeah. So both the batches will start together, whether it is 3 months or 1 month. Your
Right.
first step is always going to be your first month.
Correct.
Yes.
And this begins when, Siddhi? 3rd May, was it? Is that what was written?
Yeah.
Yes, 3rd May, correct. And Garen's asking 3 months every day. Yes, Garen, the 3-month package will be 3 months every day, right, Siddhi?
Yes.
Yes.
So the same format. The weekdays you'll have your healing calls, and weekends you'll have meditation and other exercises that you need to do. Those are just 1 minute. The same format for all 3 months.
Right. Nikita is asking, how long is the healing for, like from 8:30 a.m. till what time? 20 to 30 minutes, you said,
20
Siddhi?
to 30 minutes, while initial 5, 7, 10 minutes I gave into questions and explaining those tips and tricks. Yeah. And rest of the time is given to healing.
And thank you, Anuprit. People have started writing, and I've paid for this. I want this package. I want that. So yes,
Thank you.
we're still here for a little bit longer. So grab your flash offer, people. And yes, package B for 1 month at 2,500 rupees or $40 is available for 24 hours. Package A, 3 months. As soon as the call gets over, the price will increase. So keep that in mind. And I think all right. I think I have managed to cover everybody's questions. In the offhand case that I might have missed one or two here and there, Siddhi is going to be here with you post the call as well. So take advantage of her being around. Ask her whatever you'd like to ask. Maybe you'd like to ask Siddhi to recommend which kind of package would be preferable for you. You know, depending on what kind of situation you're in. If it's acute, if it's chronic, right, Siddhi, you'd be able to guide them with that as well.
Yes. I anyway, since you are receiving everything at such a good price, my
Right.
recommendation is to go ahead for a 3 months program, especially when you have acute or
Siddhi, I'm sorry, yes, the screen's frozen. So, okay, while we wait for Siddhi to be back, I think what Siddhi was going to say, there you are. Go ahead.
you were speaking to me.
I was saying, I was just going to say, I think what Siddhi is trying to say is this, and then you came back at that very moment. So I was saying, Siddhi, go ahead.
Oh, all right. Understood. In the meantime, can we also check whether Sudriti is here?
Yes, we'll just check on that. Just taking on the last two questions that I'm seeing here. Anita says, can I take 1 month package and then upgrade as I might need a break? I'm glad you asked that, Anita. Siddhi, if somebody takes the 1 month package and wants to upgrade, is there a break? You upgrade means you're continuing with the program, right?
Yeah. So there are people who would want to take break, but it starts all over again. You know what I'm saying? It depending on how long a break you've taken and whether I need to go ahead and start doing it from the scratch. It'll totally depend on that.
Right. Okay. And Indrajit's asking, Siddhi mentioned about some tools. How do we decide which tool is good for us for healings? You'll get to know on the calls when you take the package on.
So, yeah, I do. So, okay, I'll explain this to you
That's easy.
today. So, today, when I said that you do this mudra, Surya Mudra, now that is for people who want to give a boost to digestive system. This is for people who want to actually increase a little heat that melts the fat. That's why if you are someone who's going to go ahead and try out these mudras, do not exceed 5 minutes.
Right.
So, so this is just a mudra.
Especially in summertime, right, Siddhi? Because Surya Mudra, it increases your digestive fire too much
Yeah.
for too long a duration. It's going to start heating up inside, correct?
Yeah, exactly. And that's why I said that drink a lot of water. Now, second is, now how easy is it for you to just sit straight instead of choosing to slouch and sit? This is going to empower your metabolism. Come on now, that is for everyone. So I have taken out certain tips and tricks that are for everyone. So like diffusing orange oil or a grapefruit oil works on everyone. However, your personal preference could be orange over grapefruit. That's just a personal preference. You can choose to wear it instead of diffusing. That's a personal preference and your skin test how it shows. Yeah. Likewise, for every particular thing, like I give away detox recipes. So depending on what kind of herbs you get around you, what kind of things you have available at home, you can make yourself a detox drink. Yeah, that helps you with this entire process.
And
Like
the
even,
fact,
sorry, yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah, even if you were to go ahead and make it only out of lemongrass and ginger powder in a little boiling water, let it cool down or drink it little warm, is going to help you in multiple different ways. And add some lemon to it. So people who were asking for warm water and lemon can try this. So these are the kind of tips and tricks all the way from what you can consume to how you can work with your postures and mudras, to aromas, to what could be your eating timing, or how could you manage between two meals? What about hunger pang between two meals? What would you do? And what kind of foods can you consume, or what will help you more? All these things are a mix of everything.
Prabha, questions on the Telegram group, please. Thank you. And in fact, Siddhi, what I just adding on to the question that Indrajit's asked is that you're giving tips every day, all right? And you will be explaining the tip, right? This is meant for this. This is why we're doing this. Try it. Let me know how you feel. Everybody is not, who does anybody actually do 60 tips daily? You're following a tip to use it as a gradual change in your lifestyle,
so these
right?
tips help you how and why and when. So these are just 1 minute also.
Right.
If you were to simply sit with Linga Mudra for a longer period of time, it is going to give you an overall, not only difference in your weight, but difference in your energy as well. So that is a kind of tip I can give away that you can start right now or later. But when it's, especially after you've taken your package and you want to maintain it little well, remember my tips and tricks, or revisit the videos.
Right.
Initially 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and you can get back to it. You can even choose to make a note of them every day, so that those stay with you, and whichever one of those you like the most, try and use. Those are for you. So it's like
Fabulous.
khazana. How you spend, it's your treasure. How you spend is up to you.
Right. Siddhi, sorry, I don't think Sudhriti is online. I'm not being able to find her in the participants list.
Okay.
And we are heading towards the end of this call. I'm waiting 2 minutes more, at least a few minutes more, for the simple reason that your flash offer is going to be gone very soon. Please make sure to grab it, because remember this much, there is people, any journey that you ever want to make with anything, any kind of self-healing process, a physical journey like a weight reduction journey, especially, okay, doesn't start with running the 5K. It starts with a decision here. So make your decision right now, take action for yourself, grab opportunities that are not going to be available 24 hours later also, few minutes later also. So do that, please do that. Help yourselves, contribute to yourselves, invest in yourselves. Siddhi, we're almost there. Is there anything you'd like to leave us with?
Oh, one interesting fact that we are beginning in the month of May. Month of May. Does anyone know here why May is said to be May? Because it is named after a Greek goddess, the goddess of spring, the one who helps you manifest, the one who helps you with all kind of nourishment. And this month is basically a month of celebration for a lot of belief systems. Month of spring. And it is time to go ahead and decide over how I'm going to bloom, or how my body is going to be nourished, be getting younger. Yeah, in coming days. So go ahead, grab it. This might not come at the same price ever again. So that's why flash offer, that's why the entire initiative, because it is a lot of hard work. It is a
Yes.
lot of hard work at my end. Yeah.
Absolutely. In fact, thank you for bringing that up as well. Because think about it, people, 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, Monday to Friday in the morning, you're listening in. You're just, all you have to do is sit back and receive it. Weekends, the meditations, or the 1 minute, the 1 minuters, as Siddhi is calling them, she's giving you everything served on this nice big plate, which is not filled with junk food, but with everything good and fabulous for you and your journey with your weight reduction. You only have to receive it, literally. So opportunities like this are few and far between. Make sure you take yours. So yeah. Siddhi, fab
Yes,
call,
yes.
as always.
Thank you.
As always. In fact, with no puns intended, considering this is like a weight reduction, a call around weight reduction. It was actually a very light call.
It was.
It was.
And that's how I like my work to be. Actually, weight is said to be a very intense issue. And in Good Juice, in fact, we have many kahawats, proverbs connected with weight that warn you against weight. But I didn't want it to be any serious. I wanted to be coming from the space of happiness, because that's how we lose. We happily lose it. We don't stress out when we are losing.
Right, absolutely. And yes, you know what, you have brought it up. Let's just put it out there. Excess weight, being overweight, obesity does lead to its own fair share of ridiculously serious health problems. You do not want that to happen. Do not do that. You don't want to do that to yourself, to your body, to your family. So yes, please invest. Please invest in yourself. And I'm literally stretching this now because I want everybody to get at least 1 more minute to grab the flash offer. I won't do that anymore. Yeah, Siddhi, I think it's time for us to say our final goodbyes and do a quick wrap on this. So yeah, I hope you had a great call, Siddhi. I had a great time with you as always, and I know
always do.
the
I
audience.
Love that. I love everyone who does so much of hard work behind the scene. So what most of the times I'm doing is sitting here and talking about my work, while the entire team of Mystic Lotus works hard behind the scene. They reach out to me, they follow up on a lot of things. So first of all, thanks to the entire team. Thank you very much. Your hard work is always appreciated, and I love you all.
And you're loved right back, Siddhi. Thank you so much for being here, and best wishes to everybody who's already been a part of this journey with Siddhi and you've come here and shared, and many best wishes for all of you who are about to embark on something new, upward and onward to all of you. Thank you so much, Siddhi, and a big
Thank
bye
you.
and a good night to everyone.
Good night, everyone. Thank you.